This is the Desmond Show.
We used only one. And used to be 4. What happened to the remaining one?
Yesterday night, my brother came to borrow one, and that is it.
The what? Me. See, God doesn't like using condom. Hey, which one is he came to borrow one yesterday? Wait.
How did you know my brother doesn't use condom?
I said on your line, no. Don't come and put it on me at all.
I hear me, bad me.
MC Desmond Cares.